Good morning, good afternoon, uh, good evening. Well, it's evening here. Okay, so I was asked to talk about Nike in CSR. Nike was founded on January 25, 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports by Bill Bowman and Phil Knight and officially became Nike on May 30, 1971. Nike is the largest and most recognized sports apparel brand in the world today. From their humble beginnings as a shoe and t-shirt company, Nike has grown into an international conglomerate with estimated global brand value of 30 billion dollars in 2021. Since our corporate social responsibility and sustainability in Nike leverages the unifying power of sports to promote its agenda in three key ways: diversity and inclusion, community investment, environmental sustainability, social issue and intervention. Nike CSR or corporate governance programs center on providing a healthy and tolerant work environment for all employees. To that end, the company invests in promoting a work environment that celebrates diversity and inclusion. In 2020, Nike introduced two new CSR programs: their Joint Learning Initiative and their Unconscious Bias Awareness Training Program to promote a greater understanding of racial equality and social change. In 2020, Nike allocated $4 million to support diversity and inclusion in communities throughout North America through its Until We Win program. Additionally, eight of Nike's employee networks donated $25,000 a year to non-profit organizations focusing on promoting social equality regardless of race, gender, and sexual orientation. So Nike has always been a fan of social innovation because they found it as a way for them to grow and for them to be more popular in the market because of their competitors. So because Nike has the best interest of their customers at heart, they are always down to listen to what they want and what how they can improve their quality and standards. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Nike's response was widespread, covering the cost of food and apparel for global communities and extra assistance for their employees. The efforts included $30 million for food and medical care and $5.7 million donation of footwear and apparel to healthcare professionals and frontline workers. For employees, Nike worked with suppliers to implement proper health and safety protocols at their facilities and provided paid time off and free virtual counseling for those who were experiencing mental and emotional distress due to the pandemic. Nike has also implemented a 2-to-1 match for all employee donations made to organizations addressing COVID-19 related relief and support. The impact: getting to for what their social issue impacted on the community and people in the environment. It helped kids that were less active to become more active. They provided activities that could make kids to be more active in schools and in communities as a whole. And they focus on gender equality that makes girls more suitable in sports and providing footwear and clothes for them to also play and become part of the sport. And they also coached some coaches to take the girls and make girls games and make everything equal in the world. Inspire Nike employees to engage with their communities. Okay, they went out of their way to go into the community to find out what they want, how they could help out in their social issues. They they were everywhere to listen, and also they helped the community to boost their problems and improve in whatever aspects they needed improvement on. drive sustained community impact in primary market and sourcing backgrounds, reduction of environmental waste. Okay, they try to convert all their materials that were not renewable and reusable to become renewable and reusable. They try to lower their cost of materials and also to improve how much materials they use. They also reduce the um, quality, not that they reduce the quality, as in the quantity they use that could cause environmental waste. So the after they make some products that they get some waste, they reuse it and make other products. Struggles and scaling. Challenges Nike has faced over the years are as follows: child labor. Okay, Nike usually employ the age under 18, which is not the proper standard of working. A proper standard of working age is 18 years and above. So Nike had issues during that part, and they started making evaluations to get people that are higher in age and relieved those people that are lesser in age. So low wages, those were the times that they hired people underage, and they pay them uh, low wages for higher labor. So people were the government was not pleased with this, and they had to tell them to increase their wages and make free donations and benefits for their workers. Expensive products. Their products was kind of expensive and not easily affordable by all. It's only people that are rich and people that are well to do that could afford their products. But because of competition and so on, they were able to see that not they're making their products very expensive. They won't get too far in the market, so they have to reduce cost and expenses. Painting in Cambodia, this was when the workers had issues. Their health was not properly taken care of, and they were not being paid well for their work. Expensive endorsements. Okay, this were the signing of contracts and so on. It was very expensive to meet the cost and requirements of the company. These are my works cited as links. Thanks so much for I appreciate.